Hey guys, how are you doing? If your iPhone microphone icon is always on in the control center, then you can try the following troubleshooting steps to fix the issue. Some users have recently reported that in control center, they can see the microphone is constantly on and they're also seeing the amber color or orange color indicator at the control center and in the dynamic island. So if you are also experiencing similar issue, you need to navigate to the control center and click on the label that shows which app or service is actually using the microphone on your iPhone. So when you check if it shows any app names, you can limit the permission of a particular app. When the app is not in use, if it tries to use the microphone, then you can limit it by navigating inside the settings app, then privacy and security, and select microphone by scrolling down a little bit in this page, and you can disable any app to prevent microphone access to that specific app. So without your knowledge or without your permission, the app will not be able to use the microphone and it won't show up in the control center. The name of the app is some system service. For example, in our case, you can see the microphone is on, the orange color indicator is on, and the audio and video is being used by the accessibility. So in such case, if the Siri, weather and other apps are using the microphone, then you don't have to worry. It is a temporary access and you can turn off the weather or any other service, or you can check whether the frequent access is happening from the system service. So that will help to prevent the microphone access. You can limit it. But in this case, you can see the accessibility is the one which is using the microphone constantly. So you need to disable 3 important services in accessibility. Before seeing the troubleshooting step, I like to give a quick heads up of our Spensio app. It is an expense tracker, a free expense tracker. You can try by downloading it from App Store. You can record all your expenses, everyday expenses. You can manage multiple wallets. You can track your subscriptions, loans in limited numbers. You can go for an affordable pro version to unlock the unlimited features of this app. It also has iCloud sync backup option. You can sync between your iPhone, iPad and Mac computers. If you're looking for a free expense tracker, do check out. I'll provide the link in the description and in the first pinned comment. So coming back to the topic, in settings, you need to navigate inside accessibility to disable 3 services. Scroll down a little bit and access the sound recognition. I'm currently running iOS 26.5 beta version, so it shows sound and name recognition. You can navigate inside and turn off the sound recognition so that the microphone access will not be on all the time in your dynamic island and in the control center. The next check you need to do is within this accessibility settings page, scroll up a little bit and then access the voice control. If you have set up voice control following any video tutorials or Instagram reels, then you need to disable this one to prevent the microphone being on all the time. The third important thing is navigate to the accessibility homepage and then you need to scroll down a little bit to access the live speech. You need to turn this off. If you're using any of these services, then it is absolutely fine. But if you're not using any of that service and you don't want any system service or apps to use the microphone icon all the time, then you can turn off the live speech also. So these 3 services are the main reason that microphone icon is on all the time in dynamic island and in the control center. If none of the above suggested steps worked for you, then navigate inside settings, general, and then scroll down to transfer or reset iPhone, then perform a reset and then reset all settings. This is the last step, and if any reason settings change caused the microphone to be on all the time in your dynamic island and the control center, then you have tried the previous troubleshooting steps that I have suggested and still not able to fix the issue, then perform the all settings reset. It automatically restarts the iPhone also, fixing any third-party app or any system service using the microphone. And one more important thing is make sure to run latest iOS software update. If there is any bug that is causing such issue, then updating to the latest software will definitely help you to fix the problem. So I hope this video helped you to fix microphone icon always on your iPhone dynamic island and control center. For more, don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day.